As dawn broke, I took to the skies with my drone, embracing the tranquility of those early morning hours and capturing nature from a whole new perspective. Energized by the adventure, I made a spontaneous trip to Laguna Atascosa WMA, eager to explore the newly unveiled bird blind. While there, I spotted a cottontail rabbit, quietly charming in its natural habitat, and felt compelled to share the moment with you. True to its name, the rabbit's tail resembled a perfect, fluffy cotton ball, a delightful detail that never fails to bring a smile. Meanwhile, the unmistakable raucous cries of a Chachalaca echoed in the background, adding a wild soundtrack to the scene and reminding me how wonderfully vibrant the world can be at sunrise.